Here we go, this Bronco is rough.
Barn dust and bad news.
No crank, we start from zero.
Front brake is seized solid.
That fuel smell is ancient. Let's see what comes out. That's sludge, not oil.
First, secure the truck.
Up we go carefully. Jack stand, locked.
Penetrant first, always.
One nut at a time.
Wheels off. Now the damage.
Rust has eaten this caliper.
Don't let it hang on the hose.
These are done, unsafe. Clamp it, stop the mess. Careful, this can snap. Plug it, keep air out.
Organize, no lost hardware.
Ignition's been sitting forever. Cracked cap, this gets replaced. Motor's burnt too.
Contacts first, kill the corrosion.
Clean metal, clean signal. Lean again. Locked in, good. Fresh ignition parts, mandatory.
One lead at a time.
Let's read these plugs. Fouled and tired. New plug, fresh start. Hand thread to save the head. Torque matters. Lock down.
Let's check the carb.
Break that varnish loose. That's years of varnish. Fuel line off, watch the drip.
Seal it, no fumes.
Carb comes off next.
Off the engine, bench time.
Old fuel out right now. This bowl is glued shut. Fuel metering was stuck. Let it foam and lift. Jets must be clear.
Neutralize this corrosion. See it fizz? That's acid.
Clean base, no more rot.
Rust primer, instant protection.
New battery, safe power.
Positive tight. Ground tight, good. New rotor, strong spark path. Center lead seated.
Carb back on, cleaned.
Hand thread it, no stripped fittings.
Clean fuel feed, no tank sludge. This filter is clogged. That's pure varnish.
Fresh filter, clean flow. Fresh oil before any start.
Levels right on. No spark, prime oil pressure.
Crank it, build pressure.
Oil pressure, yes.
One pump, don't flood it.
It's trying, stay with it. We've got exhaust alive.
Idle up just a touch. Check leaks while it runs. This hose is weak, replace. Good, now fix cooling.
Clamp off, hose next. This was ready to burst.
Old hose is trash.
Clean sealing surface.
Seat it fully.
Flush it, get the mud out.
Fresh coolant, done right.
Cooling system sealed. Cooling's filled, now warm it up.
Years of dirt, gone. We're saving the metal. Rust converter, do your job.
Dry it, then seal it.
Seat rebuilt, back in. Seat mount tight. Oh. Interior starts to look new. Window still works, nice.
Front wheel back on.
Snug it, torque later. Back on its feet. Lights working. Brake lights confirmed. Let the foam lift the grime. That original chrome is coming back. Paint can still shine.
Now it idles like it should.
No fresh drips, good.
Reveal time, almost. That gloss is coming back.
Hood shut, ready for a roll.
Steering feels free. Moves under its own power. Brakes bite, finally. Let's take it outside. First roll in years. Cooling hose feels solid. Even the tires get love. From barn dust to running Bronco. Signals working too.